High blood pressure can be caused by many conditions and issues. You may have a lot of stress or anxiety in your daily life that is causing your blood pressure to rise. You may also have other health issues that contribute to high blood pressure as well. Though you may have to take high blood pressure medications, you can take an additional step to reduce your blood pressure and regulate it. One of those steps is to add smoothies designed to assist with reducing high blood pressure to your diet. Here are a few of those smoothies. Banana Mango Papaya Smoothie. One of the easiest smoothies you can make is a mixture of banana, mango, and papaya. This smoothie is potassium-rich, which helps to reduce high blood pressure. It can also be mixed in an inexpensive blender easily. You will need 3 bananas, 1 mango cubed, and 1 papaya. If you find that the mix does not make a large enough smoothie, add 1 more of each fruit to the blend. You can also add water, coconut water, or Greek yogurt to help blend the fruit. This smoothie can be taken once a day. Do not exceed once a day if you have digestive issues, or if you have issues with IBS, as too much of the potassium may cause conflicting problems with these illnesses. Hey, are you enjoying this video? Then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Blueberry Banana Smoothie. If you are limited on your budget and the fruit that is available to you, then you may want to stick with a simple smoothie. One of the easiest ones is a blueberry banana smoothie. You will need 1 cup of blueberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and 1 cup of baby spinach. You can use frozen blueberries if you need to. Mix the ingredients in a blender and enjoy. This specific smoothie has ingredients that can be purchased year-round and can help reduce your blood pressure within a few days. It can be taken daily and can also boost your energy easily. You also get a shot of iron with this smoothie that can benefit expectant mothers who may have blood pressure issues. Green Berry Smoothie. When you think of a green smoothie, you may not think of berries with that. One smoothie mixture that has everything you need to reduce your high blood pressure does have that. 1 cup of spinach, 1 diced avocado, 1 cup of strawberries, and 1 cup of blueberries can be mixed with yogurt or water and made into the ideal smoothie to help reduce blood pressure. Frozen berries can be used, and the other 2 ingredients can be found year-round at most stores.